Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, ASMR Jams and Diamonds. Today I'm going to show you how to diamond paint for beginners. Diamond painting is so much fun to do, so relaxing. It's a stress reliever. I love to diamond paint. Alright, I get mine off Amazon. You can get them on Walmart. We're going to work on this today, see how far we could go. It's a Gome Bliss Christmas diamond painting. I'm curious how long it's going to take me to do. It's simple, y'all. It's simple. Once you guys start to diamond paint, you guys are going to love it. I promise. Okay, these are your color symbols. Right here. One is a yellow, so you find a yellow. Wherever you see a yellow, that's where you're going to put your diamonds on. Right there. All right. Come over here. You look for a number 1 on here. I reopened mine. I'm just giving you guys an example. Right there. Get you your pen. Comes with all the stuff. Comes with this. All diamond painting comes with everything. Comes with this type of pen. Comes with the putty. This is your diamond painting holder. This is where you put your diamonds. This is your putty. See what a 1 is? That's a 1. All right. Here's my pen. I got my own different type of putty. Put your putty in that. You see that? I got a different pen. It's custom made. I got Grinch on it. Okay, here is number 1. I always start with 1. You guys can start wherever. There was a popping sound. Make sure you guys' diamonds are straight when you put them on. Fix them as you go, because if you don't, you're going to mess up. I mean, you're going to forget about it, and then you won't do it. I promise you, once you guys start learning how to do diamond paint, you guys are gonna love it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm curious how long this diamond paint is going to take me to do. Oh no. I hate when that happens. You can get these as gifts, Christmas, birthdays. I love that popping sound. Tell me where everyone's commenting from. I like to read people's comments. I'm in Florida, by the way. Look at that. I'm obsessed. Can't wait till it's finished. But I should put these in frames. Frame them. And then hang them up on your wall. Or give it to somebody as a Christmas gifts, birthday gifts. When you guys start doing diamond painting for the first time, it is okay to mess up. Ain't nobody perfect. Practice makes perfect. Promise you guys are gonna love it once you guys start diamond painting. You gotta have a lot of patience. Uh-oh. Look at that pretty drills. I love it. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Look at this. I'm gonna try to fix this as I go. Let's see if it's straight. Okay, move that back a little. Is that straight, y'all? If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.